In today's tech-enhanced world, everything has become digital. Taking from your files, documentation, communication, data, everything is digital. And talking about documents or files, nowadays we are using PDF, right? So any communication about documents, we share a PDF files. And sometimes to edit them, to use them, there are tools available online, okay, for us, but they do the basic things, just a simple basic things they will do. But in today's video, I am introducing UPDF, a AI powered PDF editor, and guys, trust me, it's a game changer because the features this tool has, which are AI powered or AI enhanced, which can do multiple things than normal PDF editor. Here, the main thing I liked about this tool, that is a simple layout or a simple interface where you can see all the features listed down and which are easy to access and use. But here, the one thing I am amazed, that is your UPDF AI, that is your AI feature. So if you see at the right side below, there is a AI icon or a UPDF icon. Just go ahead and click on that. Once you open that, the AI feature will open here. Okay. And here there are two options given to you. That is your Ask PDF and Chat. So basically you can chat with AI here. So first let's see what is Chat with AI. So once you open here there are options given to you or a prompt you can say. In a chat, here you can see summarize, translate or explain. So what I will do here, from a page, I will just mark a content here or just select a content or words or paragraph. Okay, select that and here just right click. And here if you see, there are three options given to me. If you see here, okay, right click and here if you see UPDF AI. And here there are the prompts here. From here, summarize, translate to any language and explain it. So in simple words, here if you see, whatever content you are selecting, in a quick time or a single click, you can summarize it, or you can translate it, or you can explain it in a simple language. Just go ahead, click on summarize, and here if you see, the whatever you selected will be summarized for you in a short thing here. Or else the next thing, that is your translate. Go ahead and choose the language which you want to convert or translate to in a simple or a single click. Okay, that will be done for you. Also the explain and quickly explain it for you. So guys, it is a chat or AI feature which can easily do these prompts for you. After this, we can talk about your Ask PDF. So basically here is a PDF and just start. Once you have PDF uploaded here, so this feature or this AI feature will have your PDF, right? And whatever you want to do about this PDF, you can do it or ask to do it. For example, for me, I said that list down important bullet point from page number 2 from above PDF. So the PDF has almost 20 pages. From that second page, list down the bullet point. And here instantly within seconds it will do it for me. The prompts or command you can give it manually, or else there is an option also, the bulb icon. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. Once you do it, here are the options given to you or a prompts given to you, summarize by page or translate by page. So basically you can summarize the entire page just by clicking here. Okay, that you can do. The one thing I personally liked or I am looking forward to, that is your generate mind map. So above, for example, if you see whatever page you have or whatever content you have above, that content can be converted to a mind map. If you see here is a prompt, just click on generate to mind map. So whatever above content which you have will be automatically converted to a mind map. If you don't know, in a simple language, mind map is one of the way to represent your ideas visually, a creative way to boost your productivity. Just listing down or Excel is a boring, right? But when you use a mind map, it is one of the best way to make it creative or remember or just to present a creative way of your ideas or just to make it simplest to follow up the process here. So here any PDF file or any content which you have, you can easily convert it to a mind map in a single click. If you see here the listed points I have, so now just go ahead and I just gone ahead and tap on generate a mind map of a page 2, right? In simple language. So whatever content I have on a page 2, that has been converted into a mind map. So instead of reading entire PDF file, just open the mind map. So here I know what this page number 2 has, what is the main topic, what are the main subtopics, and what is the content under those subtopics. So everything will be visually created for you to follow up a easy process. Also, one more AI feature I want to mention it, that is your chat with images. So here you can import the images and you can give a prompt or command to UPDF for that. For example, explain, summarize, list down, anything. So whatever there is in the image, it will do it for you based upon your commands, right? It's a fantastic feature, I feel that. Along with AI features, UPDF has all the other features for your easy access. Taking from a editing PDF, you can edit a PDF, you can change PDF entirely, like replacing the icons, you can add your own content, etc. etc. You can do it as well. Also, you can organize the pages, okay, reshuffle the pages that you can do, or you can just go ahead and also you can convert your PDF file or export your PDF file to a different file format, or else you can set up password or you can lock your productive PDF files with instantly with this tool as well. And just to mention, the features like setting up a watermark, you can do it for your PDF file as well. Put a watermark, also change the background for your PDF file or PDF pages, also header and footer. So there are multiple things you can do. Guys, trust me, UPDF is a complete package for your PDF editor. I will say that because taking from your AI features to a basic small things, it is covered under this a single tool. The best thing is it is available across the platform like your iOS, iPhone, Android, anything, Mac, Windows, etc. etc. So you can access your file, create your file, edit your files as and when you want from any device as you have. And guys, you can get a UPDF Pro version with an amazing discount by clicking a link in description or a pinned comment. Just go ahead and just click the link. So guys, just go ahead and get this amazing tool with the AI features or AI powered features for your PDF files or a PDF editing. So guys, that's it. Okay, the link in description or pinned comment, go and check it out. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it helped you or got a amazing information for you all. And if yes, and please like the video and subscribe for such amazing videos regarding your iPhone tips and tricks or amazing tools for you all. Until then, so guys, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.